Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to make Bhindi Masala. Bhindi Masala is an okra Indian dish. And we have already set up and prepared where we have chopped our okra and our chili peppers. This is our garlic and ginger paste. These are all of our herbs mixed together, our onions, and our pureed tomato. So right now we're going to heat the oil in the pan before we add our okra. Now most people do not prefer okra because, as we all know, okra contains mucilage, which makes it kind of slimy. However, if you prepare it correctly, then you won't have that issue. And how we prepare it correctly is we wash our okra and then we gently pat it dry. And we pat it dry and make sure it is not wet at all, and that will help to reduce some of the slimy. The next step to do it is we want to lightly fry our okra in 2 tablespoons of oil. And what this does is to also help to remove any of that substance of mucilage out of the okra, and it will cause it to crisp up a little bit. So this is our next step, is we are going to fry our okra. And this takes 5 to 7 minutes, and we don't want to overcook it. We just want to cook it enough to bring out the slime and to crisp it up a little bit. Stay tuned for step 2.